Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Jefferson local and long-distance movers. Near me. A long-distance relocation is a move that is more than 50 miles. We take pride in our high-quality service and always keep our clients' best interests in mind. We are committed to taking proper care of your belongings and ensuring that nothing goes missing or is damaged when we provide our service. We have insurance plans in place to cover any risks that can happen when providing our service. Our company vehicles are spacious, and we take care to arrange your belongings. During the packing, loading, shipping, and offloading procedures, our company movers are always cautious about your things. We are a trusted brand with close alliances with the relevant state and federal authorities. Your belongings are in safe hands. In addition to long-distance moving, we offer local and long-distance relocation facilities. So if you're moving a property within 50 miles of another, we're the best option. We provide the most affordable prices for local relocations. For local moves, we charge about $30 to $40 per hour. Our nearest movers are only a few blocks down. They are familiar with the region and can carry your things to the proper location easily. They are well educated and can do due diligence to ensure that the properties arrive in good condition at their new site. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Jefferson moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.